Na tukigira thiini wa iharo cito ni ati Mbĩtĩka cia muthako wa golf cia Magical Kenya Open ikambĩrĩria rũciũ kĩharo-inĩ kia mũkawa wa Karen gũkũ Nairobi. Umuthi kĩharo-inĩ gĩkĩ athaki gĩkĩro gĩa professionals na arĩa nĩ gĩkĩro kĩa amateur magĩtindĩkana na njĩra nene ya kũhingũra mĩrango ya kĩharo gĩkĩ mbere ya ngũmũthĩrano ciambĩrĩirie.
Yeah, Kenyan Pro has never won this tournament, but the one who came across, it was Jacob Okello, 1978, when he tied on the first place, and then he went to a playoff and lost it. So since then we have never gotten one who has come close by. But it has been a journey, and I believe the journey is coming to an end.
I think we've prepared enough coming into this event with all the tournaments we played last year. It's just tuning up what you need to do before you start tomorrow, and just looking forward to it.